येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। अथ शब्दानुशासनम् अथ माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि इ उन ऋक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् यमगणनं जभै घडदश् जबगडदश् खप जडत चटतौ कपै सर्हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि। अथ अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठः। पंचमोऽध्यायः। प्रथमः पादः। ननैपूर्वात् तत्पुरुषात् चतुरसङ्गतलवणवटयुधकतरसलसेभ्यः
ननैपूर्वात् तत्पुरुषादचतुरसङ्गतलवणवटयुधकतरसलसेभ्यः ननैपूर्वात् तत्पुरुषादचतुरसङ्गतलवणवटयुधकतरसलसेभ्यः
पृथ्वादिभ्य इमनिज्वा
पृथ्वादिभ्य इमनिज्वा
वर्णदृढादिभ्यश्यै च
वर्णदृढादिभ्यश्यं च
गुणवचनब्राह्मणादिभ्यः कर्मणि च
गुणवचनब्राह्मणादिभ्यः कर्मणि च सख्युर्यः
कपिज्ञात्योर्ढक्
कपिज्ञात्योर्ढक्
पत्यन्तपुरोहितादिभ्यो यक्
पत्यन्तपुरोहितादिभ्यो यक्
प्राणभृज्जातिवयो वचनोद्गात्रादिभ्योऽयि
प्राणभृज्जातिवयो वचनोद्गात्रादिभ्यों हायनान्तयुवादिभ्योन्
इगन्ताच्च
लघुपूर्वात्
योपधात्
गुरूपोत्तमाद्विं
द्वन्द्वमनोज्ञादिभ्यश्च
द्वन्द्वमनोज्ञादिभ्यश्च
गोत्रचरणात् श्लाघात्याकार तदवेतेषु
श्लाघात्याकार होत्राभ्यश्चः ब्रह्मणस्त्वः
प्राक्रीताच्छताच्च सर्वभूमिसप्तनोऽयिमासात् तस्मै प्रभृति ननैपूर्वात् षोडश
प्राक्रीताच्छताच्च सर्वभूमिसप्तनोऽयिमासात् तस्मै प्रभवति ननैपूर्वात् षोडश प्राक्रीताच्छताच्च सर्वभूमिसप्तनोऽयिमासात् तस्मै प्रभवति ननैपूर्वात् षोडश
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे पंचमाध्याये प्रथमः पादः।
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे पंचमाध्याये प्रथमः पादः। इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे पंचमाध्याये प्रथमः पादः।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
वेंकटेश्वरन गोपाल।
Namaskaram, sir. Karma. I try to memorize 21 sutras. I will try to chant, sir.
Okay.
Karmanyan vavamascha atonupasargekah supistah supistah
तुन्दशोकयोः परिवृजापनुदोः
तुन्दशोकयो परिमृजा अनुदोः प्रेदाज्ञः समिख्यः समिख्यः गापोष्टक गापोष्टक हरतेरुनुद्यनुमनेच वयसि च आंगिताचील्ये अर्हः स्तम्भकर्णयोः रविजपोः शमि धातो शेते
शमिधातो संज्ञायाम्
समिधातो संज्ञायाम् समिधातो संज्ञायाम् समिधातो संज्ञायाम् कोष्ठस्मिधातो संज्ञायाम् अधिकरणे शेते चरेष्टः भिक्षासेना दायेषु च पुरोग्रहोग्रेषु सर्ते पूर्वे कर्तरि क्रियोनु हेते क्रियोनु हेते
क्रियोनु हेतुताच्छील्ये
क्रियोनु हेतुताच्छील्ये हेतुताच्छील्ये लोम्येषु विभा प्रभा दिवा विभा निशा प्रभा भास्करान्तानन्तादि अनन्तादि next भास्करान्तादि
दिवा विभा निशा प्रभा भास्करान्तादि बहुनान्दी कृत किम लिपि लिभि बलि भक्ति कर्तृ चित्र
किम लिपि लिभि बलि भक्ति कर्तृ चित्र क्षेत्र संज्ञाजंगा
बाहु अनुररुषु। धन्यवादः। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।
सुधा श्रीकांत।
महोदय। अथ द्वितीयः पादः कर्मण्यन् ह्वावामश्च आतोनुपसर्गेकः सुपिस्थः तुन्दशोकयोः परिमृजापनुदोः प्रेदाज्ञः समिख्यः गापोष्टक हरितेरनुद्यमनेच् वयसि च आंगिताच्छील्ये अर्हः स्तम्भकर्णयोरमिजपोः शमिधातोः संज्ञायाम् अधिकरणे शेते चरेष्टः भिक्षासेनादायेषु च पुरोग्रतोग्रेषु सर्तेः पूर्वे कर्तरि कृञो हेतुताच्छील्यानुलोम्येषु दिवा विभा निशा प्रभा भास्करान्तानन्दादि बहुनान्दी किं लिपि लिपि बलि भक्ति कर्तृ चित्र क्षेत्र संख्या जंघा वाक्य हर्यत्तद्धनुररुषु।
भास्कर श्रीपाद, विवेक श्रीपाद।
राम महोदय। कर्मण्यन् ह्वावामश्च आतोनुपसर्गेकः सुपिस्थः तुन्दशोकयोः परिमृजापनुदोः प्रेदाज्ञः समीख्यः गापोष्टक हरतेरनुद्यमनेश्च वयसि च आङ्गिताच्छील्ये अर्हः स्तम्भकर्णयोः रमिजपोः शमिधातोः संज्ञायाम् अधिकरणे शेतेः चरेष्टः भिक्षासेनादायेषु च पुरोग्रतोऽग्रेषु सर्तेः पूर्वे कर्तरि कृयो हेतुताच्छील्यानुलोम्येषु दिवा विभानिसा प्रभा भास्करान्तानन्तादिबहुनान्दी किं लिपि लिपि बलि भक्ति कर्तृचित्र क्षेत्र संख्या जंघ बाह्वहर्यत्तद्धनुररुषु कर्मणि भृतौ न शब्दश्लोक कलह गाथा वैरचाटु सूत्र मंत्र पदेषु स्तंभ शकृतोरिन् हरतेर्धृतिनाथयोः पशौ फले ग्रहिरात्मं भरिश्च छन्दसि वनसनरक्षिमधाम् एजे खश नासिकास्तनयोर्ध्माधेटोः नाडीमुष्ट्योश्च उदिकूले रुजिवहोः वहाभ्रे लिहः परिमाणे पचः मितनखे च विध्वरुषोस्तुतः असूर्यललाटयोर्दृशितपोः उग्रं पश्ये रम्मदपानिन्धमाश्च प्रियवशे वदः खच द्विषत्परयोस्तापेः वाचि यमो व्रते पूः सर्वयोर्दारिसहोः। धन्यवादः
सर, धन्यवादः। सुधा भास्कर सर्वे उक्तवन्तः, ये तत्र हस्तं प्रसारयन्तः ते सर्वे उक्तवन्तः। Anybody else want to tell? As per the chat, we have in the chat box whoever has raised, we have finished.
Ram sir, I can read, but I'll have to see. I haven't memorized. Saurabh here.
How many? Yesterday you told.
I can go up to 40.
Okay.
10, yeah, from 11 to 40 I can do today.
11, from 11.
Yeah. Dhanyawad. Angita-chile arhah stambhakarnayoramijapoh shamidhato sangyayam adhikarne sheteh chareshtah bhikshasenadaeshu cha purograto-greshu sarteh पूर्वे कर्तरि क्रियो हेतुताच्छील्यानुलोम्येषु दिवा विभा निशा प्रभा भास्करान्तानन्तादि बहुनान्दी किं लिपि लिपि बलि भक्ति कर्तृ चित्र क्षेत्र संख्या जंघा भावा हर्य तद्धनु
सौरभ जी
वहाभ्रे लिहः परिमाणे पचः मितनखे सूर्यललाटयोश्च विध्वरुषोस्तुतः अस्यरम्मत्पानिन्धमाहिषितपोः उग्रं पश्येश्च प्रियवशे वदखच द्विषत्परयोस्तापेः वाचिमोहे सर्वयोर्दारिसहोः। राम sir.
धन्यवादः। धन्यवादः।
Oh, I see. Okay.
Also there is a lag.
21 to 40. 21 to 40. दिवा विभा निशा प्रभा भास्कर अंतानंत आदि भक्नांति किम लिपि लिपि बलि भक्ति कर्तृचित्र क्षेत्र संख्या जंघ्य बाह्यस यत्तत् तनुरऋषु कर्मणि भृतौ न शब्दश्लोक कलह गाथ वैर चाटु सूत्र मंत्र पदेषु स्तंभ शकृतोरिन हरतेर्धुतिनाथयोः पशौ फले ग्रहिरात्मं बरिश्च छन्दसि वनसन रक्षि मतां भेजेः कश नासिकास्तनयोर्ध्मादेटोः नाडिमुष्ट्योः च उदिकूले रुजिवहोः वहाब्रे लिघः परिमाणे पचः मितनके च विद्वऋषोः तुदः आसूर्यललाटयोर्दृशि तपोः क्षम्यतां असूर्यललाटयोर्दृशितपोः उग्रं पश्य इरं मद पानिन् दमाः च प्रियवशे वदः कच द्विषत् परयोस्तापेः वाचि यमो व्रते सर्वयोर्धारी सहोः सर्वयोर्धारी सहोः. धन्यवादः जी.
धन्यवादः. Anybody else?
महोदय अहं वदामि महोदय. कल्याणी 20 सूत्र.
अवश्यं वदतु भगिनी. विना पुस्तकं.
विना पुस्तकं महोदय. कर्मण्येन ह्वावामश्च आतोनुपसर्गेकः सुपिस्थः तुन्दशोकयोः परिमृजापनुदोः प्रेदाग्न्यः समिख्यः गापोष्टक हरतेरनुद्यमने च वयसि च आङ्गिताच्छील्ये अर्हः स्तम्भकर्णयोरमिजपोः शमिधातोः संज्ञायाम् अधिकरणे शेतेः चरेष्टः भिक्षासेनादायेषु च पुरोग्रतोग्रेषु सर्तेः पूर्वे कर्तरि क्रियो हेतुताच्छील्यानुलोम्येषु दिवा विभा निशा प्रभा भास्करान्तानन्तादि बहुनान्दी किं लिपि लिबि बलि भक्ति कर्तृ चित्र क्षेत्र संख्या जंघा बाह्वहर्यत्तद्धनुररुषु. धन्यवादाः महोदय.
सम्यक् उक्तं. बहुदिनानन्तरं भवत्याः ध्वनिं श्रुतवान्. किम् अभूत्? भवत्याः परीक्षा मध्ये अपि अहं न श्रुतवान्. अमरकोशानन्तरं बहुदिनानन्तरं भवत्याः ध्वनिं शृणोमि. एवमेव तत्र प्रतिभा भगिनी अपि के सन्ति. अस्तु, अद्य समापयामः अत्र कक्षां.
Namaskar sir, one question, quick question. Swaminathan. The 21st sutra is I listened to Pavan, right? His recitation is so beautiful. There should be a way by which we should be able to recite that without so much of struggle. So, is it better to split it at places where it makes sense to take a breath, or I don't know. There are like this in, say, chapter 3, Adhyaya 1 also, we had a couple of them. I'm pretty sure chapter 3 is full of this thing. So that will help in terms of, my goal is to read really well. Then automatically you start memorizing it.
You can break. So there are hyphens, hyphenated version is given in the screen. Wherever there is hyphen, it may be a single word, and it may actually, in this case, it is a single word. This entire sutra is a single word actually in this case. So that is why hyphens are given. Hyphen is given to indicate the pratipadikas, so that this is a samastapada, this is a samasa word. So whereas in karmani bhrito you have two words. Here you have only one word. The pratyaya is there, arushu. There only the pratyaya is there. So that is why we try to tell it together. Since the pratyaya is at the end, and where there is no harm in breaking. Diva vibha nisha. You can't say diva vibhani sha prabha skara. That you can't do. That you can't do. It is like sukumo lagati pili.
Exactly. I was going to say that.
In Tamil they say this, no? Like that. So that is why these hyphens are given. As long as you split on these hyphens, wherever you want you can split, which is why the padachedas are given. Let us follow the padacheda given in the website and go as per this. In the book also sometimes Padacheda will not be given at to this level.
No, they don't. See, the difference is book is published once, whereas here you can go back and modify it nicely. So the electronic medium in a way better many times than the hard copy. Otherwise, you need some guru like yourself to teach them where to take a breath.
So the message here is, the question is good question. The message here is for long sutras. You whatever is comfortable to you as per your breath. Diva Vibha Nisha Bha Nisha Prabha, that much is probable. Okay, tell only four words. Then you go for next 4 words. Like that you only decide, and as long as you are splitting at the hyphenated places, it is correct, and you can split and you take your breath and tell. There is no problem.
Because I see people when they are saying it, everybody has a different level of breath, so they fall apart and then they struggle a little bit to continue. So,
but one thing we should understand is we can try to tell it at one go also. As and when we master the entire thing, we should try to tell it at one go. Diva Vibha Nisha Prabha Bhaska, like that full one breath we should try. If we can tell. But if you are reading and slowly you are reading, doing Parayanam and all, read slowly.
One last question, more of a general technique is, I'm pretty sure you teach Vedas and all. So I'm pretty, there are much longer verses than this. So is there a general approach you follow in terms of reading such long syllabus?
In Veda, whatever is long, first they have to by heart. There is no reading in Vedas, first point. There is nothing called Parayanam of Vedas, that to seeing the book. As far as I know, it is only without seeing the book. There are people who do seeing the book. Parayana is only without seeing the book. Now, when you are doing without seeing the book, in Vedas you have different techniques to remember. There is something called Padapatha. Once they teach the Moolam, they also teach the number of words. You use the finger technique. And they also, when they learn Padapatha, the Moolam becomes strong. When they learn Krama, the Padam becomes strong. When they learn Jata, the other things become strong. So the Vikriti Pathas are there to remember. So Vedas, there is a different system. Even longer sentence like than this can be remembered. That is purely because of Avriti and this one. The most important point about Vedas is the Swaras. The Swaras, the intonations, the Swaras help you to actually by heart the Veda. Namaste astu Bhagavan Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Trambakaya Tripurantakaya Trikagni Kalaya Kalagni Rudraya. So I know the Swaras where it is going up and down. So that itself is a memory technique. Apart from being a meaning technique for the Samasa and other things, that itself is a memory technique. Whereas there is no Swara for Ashtadhyayi Sutras. Ashtadhyayi Sutras the Swaras are not there. Earlier there was Swaras, people say, but in Panini times only it has gone. Panini himself has said that, or Patanjali in Mahabhashya has said that the Swara Samhita Pata of this entire Ashtadhyayi was there. Later it ceases to exist.
Even though he uses Swara for key decisions, like whether it is Udatta, Anudatta, Smarita, and then he calls them Atmanepadi, Parasmepadi divisions. But it's mostly for...
that is for Veda Rakshanam, but for the Sutras itself, he tells you take this as Anudatta. You tell, so Pratigyanunasikkyaha Paniniyaha. So he tells that you through Panini or Panini Sishyas, you have to know the Swaras in the Sutra. That Swara Patha of Ashtadhyayi Sutras is lost.
Yeah, I see, I understand that, yeah.
So through the Vedic tradition, it should have come. Just like how Vedas have come, it should have come. It did come.
But also time is changing. People don't have the luxury of sitting with the guru and learning everything. Everybody has their own lifestyle change. So they want to learn something. I understand what you're saying.
That is this. We are talking about this generation. You are talking about generation 2000 and later, or 1970 and later. But if it was protected till 1970 also, still it could have remained.
Right.
But it was not at all there. The Swarapata for Dhatus and Swarapata for Ashtadhyayi Sutras is not there.
Right.
There are some pockets in India, they say, based on this, I can frame the Swara for this. And there are people who are trying to tell that they have Swarapata for Ashtadhyayi and Dhatupatas. Saswara Dhatupata, there is one book also published by some organization. Saswara Dhatupata is there. That is based on whether it is Atmanepada back calculation. They do the back calculation and put the swaras.
Namaskar, sir. Thanks for the discussion. Appreciate it.
Ram Ram.
Ram.